new crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Cassandra. Today we are doing the last grocery haul of the year, but also the last grocery haul before Christmas. This is basically everything I needed to get me through the holidays, all of our Christmas. We have 3 different Christmas events. One was actually yesterday. So I'm filming this intro a couple days after the grocery haul just because it's been a very busy time these last couple of days. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that, it being the holidays. But basically it's everything I needed for 3 different Christmases. Some snacks to get us through the end of the year, through winter break while the kids are home. And just, like I said, wrapping up all of that stuff. Lots of drinks, fill-in things. If you want to see my full meal plan for Christmas, I will link down below my Christmas meal plan. And of course, let's go ahead and hop into the grocery haul. There are some things that I got 2 of, even though I didn't need 2 of, and it's because Christmas is still a handful of days away. I'm filming this on like what, the 20th, the 21st, and I know that it's just easier to get 1 for the kids and 1 that I need for Christmas. That way they can still have a little bit, and then the other one is reserved for Christmas. So I got 2 things of Oreos. I need these for a dessert. 2 things of strawberries. 2 things of blueberries. I got 2 big things of raspberries, but they replaced it with these, which is actually fine. I'll let the kids eat both of these smaller ones. And then the big one I'm going to save. We're going to do a fruit salad with these for our breakfast brunch get-together that we're doing. Just like utensils and stuff. Forks, spoons, knives. Big thing of paper plates. And then we're gonna do a breakfast pizza for our brunch. So I got just a thing of pizza crust. I'm not gonna make my own. I kind of went easy for this. You're gonna see more convenience things down there. I also got my sausage gravy packets to just add water to for our gravy for our breakfast pizza. It's gonna be great there. Tomatoes and cucumbers are gonna be for the salad we're going to do. That's gonna go along with another dinner. There's just a lot of things. So there's that. Little thing of shrimp and cocktail sauce for an appetizer for a Christmas meal. I ended up getting 2 things of graham cracker crust because sometimes these crack in transit. I really only needed 1. We're gonna do a peanut butter pie. I got a thing of plastic wrap because we're gonna do a plastic wrap saran wrap game for the kids for Christmas. You just kind of like wrap a bunch of toys and candies and stuff into the saran wrap, make a big ball. They take turns ripping it apart. So I got some Christmas candies to put in there. Kit Kats, Hershey's, Reese's Pieces, and they're all just Santa shaped and things. It's gonna be really fun. I think the kids are gonna like it. 2 things of bread. I got 1 that's sliced. I'm gonna leave this just as bread for our lasagna and salad dinner that we're gonna do. We're doing that the same day we're doing brunch. We're just gonna make it a big day of it. And then I got a French bread. I'm gonna cut this in half and make it into garlic bread. It's gonna be really great. Thing of potatoes for our traditional Christmas dinner. I just needed more paper towels, and it's more convenient to get it at Walmart than it was to order it through Sam's. I got a bag of Doritos because I made a big crock pot full of queso, and we're gonna run out of chips for it. So I got another thing of chips for that. Bought my dinner rolls for Christmas. Not making those myself either. These are just snacks for the kids through Christmas break. Cuties, Gala apples, because that's what was the cheapest. I think there's 6 pounds here. That should be enough to get the kids through Christmas break before I go shopping again. I got 2 pomegranates to add to the Christmas brunch fruit salad, something a little different. I think it'll be really fun. The kids can try something new. 2 things of heavy cream. I need this for a couple of recipes, but also for my coffee. Happy to have that back. Then we're moving into a lot of drinks. I got 2 things of Sunny D. This was a substitution. I wanted 1 big one, but this is fine. This will work out. The kids can have these. I can save 1, whatever. But these are for brunch. Thing of milk. Obviously, we need those for mashed potatoes and stuff. I got these sparkling waters to keep the kids, myself, and my husband out of these. We don't keep sodas in the house typically, so if we have it, we go through it like way too fast. So these are to keep us out of those because these are all for Christmas. So we really like these sparkling waters. The cherry limeade is the kids' favorite. We really like the black cherry too. These are really great. Lots of drinks here, just 2 liters, and plastic cups seem to do better for us than just buying a bunch of cans. So there's just an assortment here. I did get a couple juices for the kids, a berry blend, and then I also got a thing of lemonade. A lot of the nieces and nephews like that, so I got this. Another thing I got for Christmas brunch were tater tots. And my sister's bringing over a bunch of like sauteed veggies and things, so we can break up some of the tater tots, put in the sauteed veggies. I think that'll be really good. I got a whole lot of whipping cream. I need like 2 of these for the Oreo dessert recipe that we're doing, and another 2 for the peanut butter pie. I think it's gonna be really good, so that's kind of what those are going for. Wrapping presents, we already went through all the tape I bought, so I got another 3 thing of tape. The chickens are hard freeloading right now. I'm like not even getting 1 egg a week. So we're buying eggs and getting new chickens in the spring because they're just getting too old. And then the last thing I had to get was a bunch of cheese for the cheese, sausage, and cracker plate. Little variety here, but other than that, that is the entire haul for basically 3 Christmas meals.